Hello, hi, Paul Pelczarski here with Arizona IQ Realty, not yet listed in Peoria. Folks, this is a brand new listing. It's so new, it's not yet listed. You won't find it on the MLS, Armless, on Realtor.com, Trulia, Home, Zillow.com, but you'll find it here on our YouTube page. Here's the front view of the home. It has north-south exposure with a boat gate on both sides of the house, the east side and the west side. Here's a street view in front of the house. Pride of ownership. Double door entrance. This home has a lot of character. Here we are in the kitchen. The backyard has grass. Now that's the enclosed Arizona room, which also has evap cooling throughout the whole home, actually, AC and evap. Beautiful pool, resurfaced. Let's take one more look at the backyard. In fact, we just put the sign in the yard late at night. Not yet on the market. To see this home first, contact us. When you're buying a home, our services are free, but our knowledge and experience simply priceless. We can help you with this house or any other home. Call us for a showing before we list on the open market. Thank you.